Imagine a microscopic master key, absolutely vital for unlocking the deepest energy reserves in your body, yet its name rarely crosses our lips. Without it, your very energy infrastructure falters, the blueprint for strong bones blurs, and even the luminous spring in your step dims, all while you wonder why. The foundation of form and flexibility. We talk endlessly about calcium and vitamin D for strong bones, and rightly so, they're the obvious bricks and mortar. But what if I told you there's an unsung architect, a molecular scaffold builder, quietly weaving the very matrix that gives your bones their resilience and flexibility? This architect is manganese. It's not just about mineral density, it's about the intricate, living structure of bone itself. Manganese acts as a critical cofactor for a sophisticated class of enzymes called glycosyltransferases. Now, these aren't just fancy scientific words. These are molecular master crafters that knit together complex sugars and proteins into vital structures called proteoglycans. Think of proteoglycans as the flexible, shock-absorbing sponges embedded within your bone matrix, giving it strength, elasticity, and the ability to withstand daily stresses. Without manganese, this internal scaffolding is weak, compromised, making your bones not just brittle in the long run, but fundamentally less capable of adapting and renewing themselves. It's like building a skyscraper with excellent steel beams but using subpar rivets and inadequate concrete. The structure might stand, but its integrity is critically undermined. But manganese's architectural prowess extends far beyond bone. It is equally indispensable for the production and maintenance of collagen, the most abundant protein in your entire body. Collagen isn't just about wrinkle-free skin, though it's certainly crucial for that youthful glow. It forms the vital framework for your skin, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, blood vessels, and even the lining of your gut. Essentially, collagen is the super-strong, yet flexible, connective tissue that literally holds you together, ensuring everything from your joints to your organs stays in place and functions smoothly. Here again, manganese steps into the spotlight as a cofactor for an enzyme called prolidase. Prolidase is a bit like a recycling expert and a construction foreman rolled into one. It's essential for breaking down old, damaged collagen fragments so that new, healthy collagen can be efficiently synthesized and properly structured. It also assists directly in the formation of collagen itself, ensuring its structural integrity, elasticity, and strength. So, whether it's your supple skin, your resilient joints, the flexibility of your arteries, or the integrity of your intestinal wall, all rely on this quiet, foundational hero. Imagine the entire internal structure of your body, from your very core to your outer layers, being subtly undermined without the precision work of this remarkable element. And here's a fascinating whisper from the dawn of time: life itself, from its earliest primordial whispers in the ancient oceans, found a potent ally in this metal. Ancient enzymes, long before complex organisms even dreamed of developing bones or intricate connective tissues, were already harnessing manganese's power. This humble element was part of the original biological toolkit, essential for the very architecture of emerging life, a testament to its fundamental and enduring importance. The energy alchemist and life's building blocks. Every single bite of food you take, every morsel of sustenance, embarks on an incredible journey within your body. It needs to be meticulously processed, broken down, and transformed into usable energy or the crucial building blocks that sustain life. This complex, ceaseless dance of transformation is metabolism, and at the heart of many of its most vital steps, manganese acts as a crucial cofactor, an indispensable partner in this chemical symphony. Let's talk about carbohydrates, the primary fuel source for most of your cells. When you eat a complex carbohydrate like whole grain pasta or a bowl of steel-cut oats, your body masterfully breaks it down into simple sugars, primarily glucose. But glucose isn't automatically energy, it needs to be efficiently utilized. This is where manganese becomes a central figure. It's indispensable for enzymes involved in critical metabolic pathways, including gluconeogenesis, which is the fascinating process of making new glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, vital for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Even more profoundly, manganese is a key component of pyruvate carboxylase, a pivotal enzyme that acts as a gateway to the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. Think of the Krebs cycle as the central roundabout in your cellular energy factory, where fuel molecules are methodically dismantled to generate the majority of your body's energy currency, ATP. Without manganese, this metabolic engine stutters, the roundabout slows to a crawl, leaving your cells starved for efficient energy. Imagine a state-of-the-art factory floor, perfectly stocked with premium raw materials, but the essential machinery that converts them into finished, vital products is missing a crucial, seemingly small cog. That's the profound, yet silent, impact of manganese's role in carbohydrate metabolism. Your body isn't getting less fuel, it's simply struggling to convert it effectively into power. But manganese's alchemical touch doesn't stop at carbohydrates, it extends to the very building blocks of life, amino acids. Proteins, constructed from these diverse amino acids, are the workhorses of your body. They build your muscles, produce your hormones, transport oxygen throughout your bloodstream, and form the enzymes that drive virtually every chemical reaction. Manganese-dependent enzymes are vital for the proper breakdown and utilization of several key amino acids, including arginine, glutamine, and proline. These amino acids are not just critical for synthesizing new proteins, they play multifaceted roles in maintaining robust immune function, accelerating wound healing, and even producing essential neurotransmitters that govern your mood and cognitive function. So, whether you're recovering from an intense workout, repairing tissues after an injury, or simply trying to think clearly and maintain mental sharpness throughout your day, manganese is silently orchestrating these fundamental processes. It's like the skilled, almost invisible, conductor of your body's metabolic orchestra, ensuring every instrument plays in perfect harmony, keeping the entire symphony of life flowing smoothly and powerfully. And here's a truly remarkable detail. Despite its colossal roles in these fundamental, life-sustaining processes, your entire adult body typically holds less manganese than the weight of a single teardrop, a mere 10 to 20 milligrams. This minuscule amount wields immense, transformative power, illustrating vividly that in the intricate world of biology, sometimes the smallest players have the most profound and far-reaching impact. It's a testament to the sheer potency of trace elements. The mitochondrial guardian, protecting your inner powerhouses. Deep within nearly every cell of your body reside tiny, bean-shaped organelles with an awe-inspiring purpose, the mitochondria. These are the undisputed power plants of your cells, tirelessly converting the fuel from your food into ATP, the universal energy currency that drives every single cellular function, from the blink of an eye to the most complex thought in your brain. They are the engines of life, perpetually humming, generating the power that defines your very existence. But like any high-energy factory, mitochondria, in their relentless pursuit of energy production, inevitably produce exhaust, highly reactive, unstable molecules called free radicals. These free radicals are not benign, they are inherently dangerous, capable of damaging essential cellular components like DNA, proteins, and the delicate mitochondrial membranes themselves. This damage, known as oxidative stress, can lead to cellular dysfunction, accelerate the aging process, and pave the way for numerous chronic diseases. This is precisely where manganese steps forward, transforming from a subtle architect and alchemist into a vigilant, indispensable guardian. It is an essential cofactor for one of the most vital antioxidant enzymes in your entire body, manganese superoxide dismutase, thankfully abbreviated to MNSOD. What makes MNSOD so exceptionally special, so uniquely crucial, is its strategic location. Unlike many other antioxidant systems that operate in the general cellular fluid, MNSOD is predominantly found inside the mitochondria themselves, right at the epicenter of where free radicals are most intensely generated. It's the first line of defense, the immediate response team stationed directly within the power plant. Its mission? To disarm the most potent and destructive free radical, superoxide, converting it into less harmful substances that can then be further neutralized. Think of MNSOD as the elite, specialized fire brigade stationed inside the power plant, constantly dousing molecular fires before they can spread, escalate, and cause catastrophic damage. It keeps your energy production clean, efficient, and protected, preventing the insidious rust and decay that uncontrolled oxidative stress can bring. Without this vigilant guardian, your mitochondrial power plants become vulnerable, exposed to constant assault, gradually losing their efficiency, and accumulating damage that can impact everything from your overall energy levels to the health of your nervous system. MNSOD, powered by manganese, is literally protecting your capacity to generate energy, safeguarding the very vitality of your cells against the wear and tear of daily life. It's a microscopic shield against the relentless march of time, preserving the youthful vigor of your deepest cellular machinery. And for a truly captivating glimpse into this element's pervasive influence, consider this: even beyond the microscopic world of our cells, this same unassuming element paints the natural world. It lends its silent artistry to the vibrant purple hues of amethyst crystals. The specific presence and oxidation state of manganese ions within quartz lattices are what miraculously transform a clear, ordinary crystal into the regal and prized amethyst, a testament to its unseen, yet profound, power in both the biological and geological realms. It reminds us that fundamental elements often play starring roles in the most unexpected corners of our universe, fueling the architect, alchemist, and guardian. So, after uncovering the incredible, multifaceted roles of this cellular superhero, the burning question arises: where do we find this powerhouse element? Fortunately, manganese is readily available in many delicious, wholesome, and accessible foods that often form the cornerstone of a healthy diet. You don't need exotic supplements, you just need to eat smart. Whole grains, these are perhaps one of the most significant and easily incorporated sources. Think beyond plain white bread. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and ancient grains like farro, these aren't just celebrated for their fiber content, they are excellent reservoirs of manganese. Crucially, the outer layers of the grain, the bran and germ, which are often removed during the processing of refined products, are manganese-rich. So, choosing whole grains means choosing a richer nutrient profile. Tea, yes, your daily ritual, that comforting cup of black or green tea, is a surprisingly potent source of manganese. The tea plant, Camellia sinensis, naturally has a remarkable ability to accumulate manganese from the soil, making your morning or afternoon brew a significant and enjoyable contributor to your daily intake. It's a delicious way to support your cellular architects and guardians. Leafy greens, the vibrant emeralds of nature, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens, these nutrient-dense powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and, you guessed it, manganese. The green pigment chlorophyll, essential for photosynthesis, often goes hand in hand with manganese accumulation in these plants, making them a double win for health. Other notable sources don't stop there. Many nuts, such as almonds, pecans, and hazelnuts, are good sources. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans also contribute. Certain fruits, particularly pineapple and berries, contain appreciable amounts. Even common spices like cloves, turmeric, and cardamom can provide a surprising boost. Incorporating a diverse range of these foods isn't just about ticking off a nutrient box, it's about actively supporting a cascade of vital functions that operate ceaselessly beneath the surface of your awareness. It's about giving your body the microscopic tools it needs to thrive, to repair itself, to efficiently generate energy, and to power forward with robust vitality. It's about a simple, conscious choice that ripples through every cell. But here's the subtle tremor beneath the surface, the almost imperceptible whisper of potential consequence that is truly unsettling, a persistent deficiency, a quiet, almost invisible absence of this unsung hero, doesn't just slow things down in an obvious way. It subtly erodes the very integrity of your cellular power plants, leaving them vulnerable, exposed, and perpetually under siege. Imagine a crucial part of your car's engine, constantly running without its protective oil, slowly grinding down, accumulating microscopic damage that you can't see, day after day, year after year. This isn't about a dramatic, sudden collapse, it's about a fundamental, insidious compromise of your body's most basic, life-sustaining machinery. It's a silent invitation to accelerated wear and tear, to a future where your energy reserves are perpetually depleted, where your bones might subtly weaken over time, making them more susceptible to fracture, where your joints ache without clear reason, and the luminous, youthful bounce in your step becomes a frustratingly distant memory. The damage isn't instantaneous, but creeping, making you wonder why you feel chronically tired, why your focus isn't quite there, why your sparkle just isn't what it used to be, all while one tiny, readily available element could have been the diligent, silent protector. It's the quiet erosion of vitality, piece by unnoticed piece. So the hidden spark, the silent architect, the vigilant guardian keeping your deepest cellular powerhouses humming and the luminous spring in your step alive? It's right there, whispering its ancient secrets, waiting for you in every vibrant green leaf, every hearty whole grain, and every comforting cup of tea.